Hi guys, and welcome to the SimpleSwap cryptocurrency exchange. In this video, we will guide you on how to get Enjin Coin in just a few simple steps using our platform. So let's roll. First, let's take a closer look at the Enjin Coin project. Enjin is a big social platform for creating online gaming communities. Enjin Coin is a cryptocurrency with an ERC 1155 standard that is working on the Ethereum blockchain protocol. It was created for the sales of virtual goods and assets. Enjin Coin helps to create and spread virtual items, including NFTs. The service can increase the activity of the in-game community and merge different projects into a big one. Sounds cool, right? Enjin Coin is definitely worth your attention. Ready to get some Enjin coins? Start with selecting the coin that you want to exchange in the Use Send section using the drop-down list. You can also use the search bar. Just start typing the name of the cryptocurrency or its ticker. Next, enter the amount you would like to exchange. Now select Enjin Coin in the You Get section. You can also use the search bar. After that, you will see the estimated amount of coins you will receive. Please note that there is a minimum amount for every exchange. Do not send an amount less than the minimum one. Then click on the Exchange button to move into the next step. Here, you need to enter the recipient's Enjin Coin address. For your convenience, you can simply add here your MetaMask address or use our Simple Hold Lite wallet. Please note that only ENJ ERC20 tokens are available for withdrawal. Don't forget to double-check your address. Your ENJ coins will be sent to this address right after the exchange. Alright, now all the necessary details for the exchange are entered. Once again, make sure that all the data is correct. If everything is okay, click the Create Exchange button and you will be forwarded to the exchange page. At this stage, the status of your exchange is waiting. Here, you'll see the address to send the indicated amount of BNB coins to continue the exchange. You can use the QR code to speed things up. Please don't forget to enter the memo while sending your deposit in order not to lose the funds. After you send the deposit, you can see that the status of your exchange is changed to confirming. Then, after you have received the deposit to your address and the transaction has the required amount of confirmations, the status will be indicated as exchanging, which means that your exchange is in progress. While our system is sending you Enjin Coin, the status changes to sending, and you will only have to wait a little for the coins to reach your address. Now that's it. Your exchange is completed, and you can see the indicated status is finished successfully. In most cases, the exchange process usually takes up to 30 minutes. See how simple it is. If you enjoyed using our platform, you can recommend us to your friends. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more videos from SimpleSwap.